So with part one, we are numbers 1 through 4. We're going to dive a little bit deeper into that 0% APR example, which sounds perfect. But like I said, sometimes you might not be able to afford that monthly payment. So let's take a look. Before we do anything, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Desmos calculator. Feel free to use the one that's on your phone. Totally up to you. I like my free Desmos. If you go to desmos.com, then we just need a basic 4-function calculator today. So we're now going to go into our workbook where you're going to see those same pictures that I have. And we're going to do these first ones. So we're going to answer the following questions using the details on that 0% APR. And right now we're saying that Molly has $2,500 down payment saved for this purchase. And remember, guys, a down payment means that she literally has $2,500 in her bank account right now, and she's going to show up with a check to the car dealership and literally pay off that much money off of the price of the car right when she shows up before she gets the loan. And the dealer is giving her that full $1,500 cash allowance, which means that's another batch of money they just subtract right from the total of the car. So now let's figure out how much loan does Molly actually need to borrow. So we're going to take the total price of the car, $25,495. We are first going to subtract her down payment of $2,500 and then subtract the cash allowance. Because the $2,500 she already saved up in her bank account, and then the car dealership is giving her that much money right off the top for the allowance. So she needs a loan for $21,495. So $21,495 because we subtracted out her down payment, which she saved up in her banking account, and the cash allowance, which is just an automatic discount. So how much will Molly's monthly payment be? Remember, in this example, guys, it's a 0% APR. So she just has to take the rest of that money and divide it by 36, because this is a 36-month loan term option, to see what her monthly payment would be. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to take that $21,495, and we're going to divide it by 36, because that's how many months the car dealership is saying. So this is going to come out to $597, and we just have to round this to the nearest penny, guys, since we're talking money. So 0.08, $597.08. 597. So that's almost $600 that you would be paying per month. For me as a teacher, I wouldn't be able to afford a $600 a month payment, even though how much total interest will Molly pay during this loan? Zero. It's 0% APR, which is epic. But even though you're saving money by paying zero interest, you might not be able to afford $600 a month in your budget. So when we add up all of the payments, how much will her car cost her? Well, she will still owe, the car will cost her the price right there, plus the down payment, because both that already came out of her bank account. So the total cost of her car is going to be $21,495 plus that down payment back. So if we do $21,495 plus the down payment back, she only had to pay $23,995 because there was 0% interest. So we just had to take the amount of money there plus that down payment again, and we got the actual amount of money she had to pay for the car. And in the next example, we'll see how does that 1.9% APR example change the total cost of her car.